Hello student. In a revision part, today we revise chapter number 3, which is data handling. Okay. In that first question, fill in the blanks. Here some blanks are there. Let me fill it. The collection of numerical facts regarding particular type of information is called the data. That is data. If we collect the information in numerical part, that is called data. The number of times a particular observation occurs is called its. How many times the particular observations comes is called, that is called frequency of that observation. Okay, that is frequency. The difference between the highest and lowest value of observation in a data is called its highest and lowest. Difference of that one means highest minus lowest, that is called range of that observation. When the data is arranged in an increasing or decreasing order, dash is the value which is lies in the middle of the data. In which calculation we arrange them into increasing or decreasing order, that is median. Okay. The probability of an impossible event means that is not possible, it's 0, and for possible event, that is 100% possible, that is 1, and impossible is 0. While tossing a coin, the probability of getting head or tail, total 2 observations are there, 2 results are there, head and tail 2. Out of them, 1 in head and 1 in tail. So individual, that is 1 upon 2. Okay, required observation divided by total observation, 1 upon 2. Otherwise, in decimal, that is 0.5. Okay. Next one is an arithmetic average. That means that is mean. It's called mean. Range of the data having observation 11, 13, 3, 5, 6, 7, 4 is, we know that range equal to highest minus lowest. Highest is 13 and lowest is 3. So 13 minus 3, that is 10. So our answer is 10. Okay. The mean of first 5 natural number is, first 5 natural numbers, they are, which are the first 5? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and 5. 5 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And total observation is also 5. And total of that one, 5, 4, 9 and 3, 12, 2, 14 and 1, 15. 15 divided by 5, that is 3. So our mean is 3. Sum of observation divided by number of observation. Probability of selecting letter U from the letters of the word Gurukul. Okay, so U, how many times U is there? 1, 2 and 3. So that is 3. Divided by total characters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That is 7. So our answer is 3 upon 7. That is 3 upon 7. Clear? Next one. Question number 2. Solve the following. Now we solve that one in the notebook. Okay. What's the question? The scores of an aptitude test out of 25 marks test is there of 11 students, and total 11 students are there, is as follow. Here the marks are given: 11, 24, 23, 11, 20, 10, 19, 9, 10, 13 and 15. Find mean, median and mode of this data. Okay, so first we write down the numbers. They are, question number 2 in that first one, they are 11, 24, 23, 11, 20, 10, 19, 9, 10, 13 and 15. Okay, and you just find mean, median and more. Okay. Now when the median is there, that time compulsory you just arrange into increasing or decreasing order. Okay, so before finding mean or mode, we arrange them into increasing or decreasing order. Here we arrange them into increasing order. Okay, so increasing order of observation. Okay, increasing means smaller one first, that is 9. So first one is 9, then 9 is here, tick mark that one, then 10, one more time 10 is there, again you just write down 10, then next one is 11, then it's 13, sorry 11 is 2 time, sorry, so write down 2 time 11 here, then 13, after 13 it's 15, then 19, then 23 and 20, sorry 20, 23 and 24, 20, 23 and 24. Then count one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11 is there. Okay, so here our increasing order is ready. Now first one, we want to find out mean. So mean equal to, what is the formula to find out mean? That is sum of observation divided by number of observation. That means 9 plus 10 plus 10 plus 11 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 19 plus 20 plus 23 plus 24 divided by 11. Total 11 observations are there, equal to, now total of that one. Okay, I already find out that one, and total is 165. You just one more time you just add, check that one, divided by 11, and 165 by 11 is 15. Okay, so our mean is 15. Next one is median. Okay, median equal to, what is the formula to find out median? That is n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. Observation means n plus 1 divided by 2 number observation, that is our median after arranging in decreasing or increasing order. Okay, total 11 observations are there, 11 plus 1 divided by 2 observation, so 12 upon 2 observation. 12 upon 2 means 6th observation. And what is 6th number? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, that is 13. So equal to 13. So our median is 13. Okay, median is 13. Now mode. Mode means observation come maximum time. Just find which observation comes maximum time. Okay, let me check. Look here, 10 is 2 time, 11 is 2 time, and rest of all are only 1 time, and both are 2 times. Okay, when suppose 11 is 3 time and 10 is 2 time, that time you just count the 11, but here both are 2 times, both are same times, and both are maximum times, so both are the modes. So our mode are 10 and 11. Okay, here we are having 2 more, they are 10 and 11. Okay, so here our mean, mode and median are found. Okay, now number 2, question number 2. Following are the daily wages of the 30 workers in a factory. Prepare a frequency distributing table from the given data. Okay, here you just find out, means prepare frequency distributing table. How to make that, prepare that table? Okay, let me see. Now before preparing that, you just find out the highest and lowest observations. So lowest is 40. Let me check. Okay, that is 40, and highest is 80. Okay, and what is the interval? Look, between them the 5 intervals are there: 40, 45, 50, 60, 75. Okay, means 5 is interval. So just prepare the observation table, means frequency distribution. It's called frequency distribution table. Okay, in that first one is observation, then tally mark, and last one is frequency. And here I just write down the observations: 40, 45, 50, 50. Highest one is 80, so up to 80. Okay, now let me start. So how to tick mark that? Look, 40, so you just tick mark the 40, underline that one, otherwise like that. Okay, and here in that 40 you just tick mark that one. Next one is 50 here, then 60 here, 45 it's here, 80 it's here, 50 here, 55 here, 60, then 80, 75, then 50, 40 here, again 50 here, then 65 here, 75 here, 45 here, then 65 here, 55 here, one more time 55 here, then 60 is here, again 60 here, again 60. Now look, 4 observations there, and this one is 5th. What to do? You just make bunch of 5, means make cross line there. Then 65 it's here, 55 it's here, then 75 here, 65 here, 45 here, 70 it's here, again 70 here, and 55, that is number 5. Okay, then write down the frequencies here. Okay, so let me write down here 2, then 3, then 4 here, 5, 4, 2, 3 and 2. After then you just write down the total. Okay, look, 5 and 3, 3 and 2 5, plus 4 9, plus 5 14, plus 5 19, plus 4 23, plus 2 25, 28 and 30. So our is total is 30. Okay, so this one is our frequency distributing table. Okay, like that you just solve that paper in your notebook. Write down the fill in the blanks, and also solve the both questions in your notebook. Okay, next day we revise this chapter number 4. Okay, thank you.